1. YouTube autocomplete. YouTube autocomplete forms the easiest manner of getting searched. You can secure a prosperous position or can win over many followers by efficiently optimizing your channel. The tool has a very unique feature. It can turn your negative image into a positive one by showing many good references. For example, if your company or channel has been reputed lately with words like scam or fraud, you can alter them with words like best or good using the tool. Moreover, if you want to look for keywords related to 3D architecture design, you simply have to enter the phrases into the search box and click enter. The tool will give you optimum suggestions to get recognized. You can even direct the suggestions to some particular platforms, like restricting the search results to only Google and Bing. In this way, you will only get the suggestions related to these two platforms. 2. SE Cockpit. SE Cockpit does serve the basic keyword researching features like all the other keyword planner for YouTube, but it also has some amazing added features. SEO professionals who want to find out real results and strategies to ground their campaigns use it. The tool works at top speed and provides a super strong search browser to find out the most appropriate suggestions. It not only throws the unending list but divides it according to the rankings. On one hand, you can find out low competition keywords, while on the other hand, you can get those, which makes a channel, rank higher in YouTube, Amazon and eBay. The platform offers some special bundles including Rank Tanker to guide you about the highly updated rankings of individual keywords. Moreover, it also provides the metrics indicating the difficulty level of each keyword. 3. Suval. Online marketing through YouTube requires appropriate use of keywords, and that can be done easily using Suval, a leading YouTube keyword generator. The best part about the tool is that it brings all of your platforms under one roof, and that can be done easily using Suval, a leading YouTube keyword generator. The best part about the tool is that it brings all of your platforms under one roof. You can customize the setting and choose the browsers and sites you have been targeting your audience from, like Google, Amazon and Yahoo. And sites you have been targeting your audience from, like Google, Amazon and Yahoo. Its search tool is efficient enough to uncap the keywords that can produce potential results and were hidden from your rivals. When using Suval, you can even save keyword ideas with the drag and drop option feature. It offers an easy-to-use interface to users. You simply have to type the keyword and click to proceed. 4. Ahrefs Keywords Explorer. Ahrefs Keywords Explorer is yet another YouTube SEO tools. Being one of the most comprehensive tools you will find on the internet, it is full of made charts, stats, and graphical demonstration of records. It supports more than 100 countries when grabbing the results for you. Moreover, it provides over 1,000 top suggestions relevant to your query. Apart from this, highly accurate results, appropriate metrics, advanced search facility, and updated score are some of the prominent features offered here. Apart from this, you can sneak into your SEO rankings and get a suggestion to optimize more efficiently. The SERP overview gives a deep insight into the top rankings sites,